So Flutter has just announced their latest version 1.12 and have added some pretty nice features like the release of Dart 2.7 and supported dark mode for iOS 13. For this video, I would like to talk about mobile and native app development in general. Native apps basically have three categories. There are fully native apps with high interactivity. Then there are things like web views, which don't give you much control over what you want. Also, it's very limited in functionality. Then there are things in between using hybrid technology. Now, I wouldn't recommend this technology above all others out there. It basically comes down to what each technology has to offer and what you want to accomplish. That's why it's important to do your research before you start building something. There are many tech companies out there that have very poor experience with hybrid app development. These are massive companies with big teams that can work on every small detail of the project. They would use something similar to React Native. Now, what is Flutter? Flutter is a cross-platform framework announced by Google back in May of 2017. It has been recognized as one of the fastest growing open source projects within a year of its inception. Also, it's been listed as one of the 10 most stared at repos on GitHub. It's designed to develop native applications using a language called Dart.js. Now, there is many reasons why you should use this language as you start out, as it is very easy to learn and get used to. Basically, it takes all your code and simulates it as a widget so that it just looks fully native. And there is a widget for literally everything. You also wouldn't have two coders for one job, one for Android and one for iOS, as it works for both platforms. The interesting part is I've used it quite a bit and haven't run into many errors or limitations with my projects. So to sum it up, fully native apps make sense for big companies with massive teams working on every detail of the project. Hybrid technologies like Flutter make sense for smaller startups who want to get a product out there on a limited budget and team. Anyways, if you like this video, please tap or click on the like button down below. And if you have requests on what I could make next, please comment down below.